In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add your phone number on Whop in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want to improve account security, complete verification, or make sure your Whop account has the right contact details connected to it. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can do it quickly and without confusion. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more clear software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, sign into your account at whop.com. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on your home feed. This is important because the settings we need are accessed from the main account area. Now look at the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile avatar or icon. That will open up your account menu. From there, find the gear icon located directly to the right of your username and click it. This takes you into your account settings. Now that you're inside your settings, look at the sidebar on the left and click on Account Security. This is where Whop keeps your security-related options, including phone verification. Once the account security page opens, locate the option that says Add Phone Number and click Add. This will bring up a pop-up window where you can enter your number. In the pop-up, you'll see a flag icon on the left side of the input field. Click that flag icon first so you can choose the correct country code for your phone number. This step is important because it makes sure your number is formatted properly for verification. After selecting your country, type your phone number into the field carefully. Double-check that every digit is correct before moving on. When your number is entered, click Send Code. Whop will then send a verification code to your phone by SMS. Go to your messages, find the code, and enter it into the verification field on the screen. After that, click the Verify button to finish the process. If the code is correct, your phone number will be added to your Whop account successfully. And that's it. You've now added and verified your phone number on Whop. If this guide helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials, tips, and quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.